Well, good morning my YouTube friends, it's Margaret here from M.E.s Orchids, and I'm going to take you on a garden tour just as it's raining. I think, well, it's been raining all morning, but I just thought it's quite nice to see the garden sometimes when it is raining. And there you see. Just so it gives you an idea of some of the colours and the structures in the rain. I'm hoping it won't damage this camera, but I've been out this week tidying this bed up here and splitting some of the plants. I'll show you what I've done with some of them shortly. And then I won't go through and name any of them because a lot of them I can't name anyway, but I might just deadhead one or two of these little pansies as I'm passing. Can't help myself. Oh, you can smell all the conifers. It's lovely. Let's see if I can take you in and show you this one. And you see, with the cones, I have to be careful where I stand because I'll be falling over if I'm not careful. I like to take the dead leaves off the top of conifers just so they don't die back. Oh, I need to put some slug pellets down there. Look how they've taken all the leaves off. Damn it. Oh dear. That's a darn nuisance. There we go. These are the Michaelmas Daisies. And the fronds of the grasses. Just love the grasses. Pull that back, otherwise I'll get attacked with that one. That's one of the water tubs with the plants. Second lot of clematis coming through. Again, this is Michaelmas Daisy. Oh, these are nice, look at these. Some kind of allium. You might find we've got some external noises, but with it being Saturday morning, people are out and about, even in the rain. There we go. And I do believe, can you see, because we've had such dull, damp weather for 3 weeks, that some of these maples are actually changing colour. I take you around this area and then I come to a full stop. There we go. I love all these colours. Look at Crosmere. And these big ones here. This one here, that's Lucifer, but look how the colours blend in. Absolutely lovely. Beautiful colours. And then, this is this bed here. I'll take you around. This is the back of the pond area. You see? So let's walk round this way. panther are just starting to open. Those are the pots with the geraniums and some zinnias. Look how it colours the gravel and the stones. That's a nice big one that's opened. There's the pond, of course. And this bed here, this is the hostas. That's a dahlia there. Don't know whether you can hear the rain. Pitter patter, pitter patter. This is the iris, that's finished flowering. And this is the bed, of course, behind the pond area. Keith opening a bedroom window. There we go. Some of the little tiny sunflowers. I have to remember to deadhead them. Again, you see, here's Lucifer, just pop up everywhere. These are some of the sunflowers that I've done from seed. You see they've got heads coming in them. These three here, I moved them out of one of the tubs and put them here yesterday. There's that nice big Acer. And this is one of the hanging baskets. I normally come out here every day and take some of these back. So let's take you this way now. And then, so the first thing that greets us here are some of the tubs. And we've got some, these are unusual lilies. These are like double lilies. And so they've got a white outer side and like a dark red inner side. And these were left in last year and they've come through again. So look at that. Something else is nibbling the plants. And I think this is that white one as well. And there's a nice pink one. And if we go here, there's some more pink ones just opening up. These on this side, those were those very dark maroon, like black ones. And these here, I'm assuming they're all going to be pink, but some of them could be white. And if I take you into this area, there's the evening primrose. And if it stops raining today, at some point I'll come out and take all these flowers off, and then they flower again this evening. Oh, the smell's gorgeous. This part here is a hanging basket. Oh, that's lovely. That evening primrose. Got another rose. And I don't know whether you'll see that delicate little clematis there. Absolutely lovely it is. Like I say, I'm being a little bit cautious because I don't want to slip with the rain. So this is growing up this prunus tree, and along with this climbing rose. These are two of the chrysanths that I put in. And they're doing very well. And here's that other nice evening primrose. And the rain's really coming on now. But never mind, we won't let rain just prevent us coming out into the garden and having a look what's growing. There, we've already got, whether you'll see, one of the Michaelmas Daisies coming out. Can you hear the rain? This is a tree that I've recently taken out of a pot. Whether you'll see that, it's the variegated water elm. and since I put it in the garden it's giving us all these nice new growths. So we take you around this area now. I'll take you back this way so you can see this area. This is that nice big Acer. Keith went out yesterday and did trimmed all the hedge at the side, on the roadside here. That's that nice big Acer. Trimmed back this hazel, dark version. Nice little rose coming through there. We've got some phlox coming through there. And now this one didn't flower very well, this one didn't, in the spring. But look, it's got all these buds on for next spring, but the ones that it didn't bloom in the spring, it's actually blooming now. So if I take you to this area now, this is the pond area. These are some of the nice geraniums. Look, there's one of the water lilies. We've got some more coming through there. And this is a nice big, this is a multi-headed one, this sunflower, look at that. There we go, some kind of water-loving allium. So, oh, there's the zinnias, you see, they're starting to come through now. I'll take you this way and then I'll finish up round by the back door again. Okay, you see these are these double ones, and I left these in last year, and I've moved the sunflower that was in the middle there. I've just left the one, can you see? There was too much taking the goodness out of the soil. And there's another maple. I'll show you this area now. And I love this little pink plant here. Look at that, a snail. And the pink here blends lovely with this pink shrub here. And it comes out quite brilliant, deep pink there, but it's not exposed to the sun. So, let's take you to this area now. This is the side garden on the east side. There we go. This is a big tree. Well, it used to be in this big tub here, and we decided a horse chestnut, that is. But it's not one of those that grows like it does in the fields. And again, we've got geraniums. This is lavender. And I've got lots of little lavenders here. Lovely poppies. And this one here. This is a nice big sunflower. Again, you see, from seed. I've got two growing here. There we go. There's some of the other little lavenders. They seem to be coming on quicker than the ones I've just shown you. And this is another evening primrose. And this is just under this robina. second flush of the rose coming there. And you see? That's the sedum with its heads on, ready for autumn. These are little primulas, the yellow ones, the wild ones. So I've taken them out of the garden because it was too dry. And now when it becomes the garden's wetter, I can't do it yet, but those are some of the seeds. It is really raining now. But never mind. As Keith would say, his granddad used to say to him, rain is only liquid sunshine. Some more dahlias there. Have to be careful, there's a wasp there. Look. And you see, it's still starting to flower. I don't know whether I'm going to walk just past here. These are the, what do they call these? Amaryllis. These are out here. Been out here for weeks. There's your Californian poppies amongst this flax. And if I take you around this way, these are the hanging baskets. And believe it or not, it's not as damp here, because of course it's sheltered by the side of the house. So that's one of the troughs, and there's one of the hanging baskets with a nice fuchsia and a nice begonia there, and those are trixies. And here is the first of the crinum lilies. We've got the first flower. Absolutely love the crinum lilies. That's a nice big fern. So hopefully this other crinum lily here, that'll start producing, there you see the stem how it comes from there. That'll start producing a flower. And again, you see, this is one of the wall troughs. And when they get like that, you see, I have to cut them off. So I should be out here later. Even watering these, because these won't get watered on this side wall. There we go. Another hanging basket. And here's another trough, and this trough's full of fuchsias. And you see? And here's another hanging basket, just on the corner of the house here. And these are two more of the crinum lilies. But look, you see what I get, of course, with crinums is they get slugs, snails. Look at that. Snail. Hate them. I know they've all got, you know, a job to play, but not in my garden. And so if I'm going to undo this fence now, and the neighbours are probably thinking she's crackers, but hopefully there's not many neighbours out, so there's not many can think I'm crackers. There we go, that's that elder tree I talk about. The only thing is here I can't step on the soil with it raining, but never mind. These are lovely. Look at this one. It's a little perennial. And there's a nice bush there. Its name's not just coming to me, but it probably will do. That's the Japanese anemone. And let's just take you around this way. That's the penstemons there. You see that nice pink? That's in from last year. And if we look here, There's the mauve variety. And you see, that's the giganticum grass, that one. So, and this shows you the front with all the rain. This is another sedum or sedum. This is the dark one. And there we go. Keith had to cut the flower fronds off this big yucca. There's the geraniums. These flower everywhere. And this is the weeds. Have to pull them up. Doesn't matter whether it's raining. Get the weeds up. There we go. See? Look at snails. Everywhere. Everywhere the snails. This is the tobacco plant. And I save the tubers and plant it up each year. This one's just suffering a little bit with the rain. That's lady's bonnet, I think they call that. No, that's not lady's bonnet. Oh, what do you call that one? Can you see? We've got a lovely one here. Look, look at the colour. So unusual. Absolutely love it. Snapdragon, that's the word I'm looking for. Absolutely lovely. And this is the broom, just starting to come into flower again. That there is the Belfast sink full of the cactus. And this is this corner here. Ooh. With the tub. It looks as though we've got one solitary rose there. So if I take you around this area, while I'm out in the garden showing everywhere, I may as well show it you all. Can't remember what this little thing is. You see? You don't mind the rain when it's gentle rain like this. It's when it's absolutely lashing it down. That's a mahogany, you see, set its fruits. And again, you see, this is, you see, fuchsia there. I'll just take you to this side here as we go past the garden, because the hedge dips here, and there you see. Now I don't know whether the camera's going to pick up this grass, but you'll see parts of it are now showing pink. Very unusual. Very, very unusual. Love it. Right, I'm back in the side garden again. And that's the Crocosmia, the one I showed you a short while ago. And you'll see it there. No, that's not Crocosmia. Crocosmia is the one I showed you at the back. No, shut up, Margaret, because you're getting it all wrong. That's the Hypericum. It's all in my head. It just comes out jumbled sometimes. Oh, look at that. Even in the rain, we've got honeysuckle, which is lovely. Right, I'm going to go this way round now and take you round to the back of the house. And this is the table here. That's some geraniums, some species ones. I've no idea what they're called, but I'm splitting them and put them there. There's little Polly with some begonias. Oh, look at them. What's that? For a moment I thought they were bugs. It's a good job they haven't moved. I think they're seeds. And there's one of the dendrobiums this is the Masdevallia Montplandii, out getting some rain. That's a tiny little Mediocalca, getting some rain. This is the Dendrobium Delicatum, and again we've got another new growth. This has been out a few days now. Those are the other two recent new growths. You see them changing the colour of the leaves. And this is the other Masdevallia. This is Acer. That's a house plant there. And if I take you up to this area, that's the Hoya Canosa Tricolor. And again, you see I've been splitting Primrose. I've been taking cuttings off carnations. These are yet to be planted out. Those are some more cosmos. And again, some more plants that I'm dividing. Likewise here. And these are the wallflowers. I've already been started to plant some for next year. Now I must remember in a minute to go and take some slug pellets and over at that top end of the garden, I think it's a campanule. And then this is the last of the wall brackets. So there we go again. I'll take you around here. When you hear the rain now, actually it's coming on more, so I'm not going to put the slug pellets out because the rain will only wash them away. But never mind. So thank you for joining me on this Saturday morning in the rain. I thought it'd make a change. So from me to you, take care. Bye bye now.